Today we're going to replace the battery in a 5800 series hidden door contact. Before doing anything, contact your monitoring center and put your alarm in test.
First, you want to take a flathead screwdriver and unscrew the cap on the contact. Then grab the board, pull it out of the contact sleeve, pull the battery out, replace the battery. It snaps right in the way it came out. Put the board back in the same way you took it out, into the sleeve. Place the cover on the sleeve, twist it until it clicks into place. Then clear the alarm memory off of your keypad.